In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify order confirmation emails. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your store, you should be on the main admin homepage. This is where you normally see your orders, products, and recent activity. From here, we're going to head into the settings area where all the notification and email options live. Look to the left-hand side of the screen and scroll all the way down to the bottom of that column. Click on Settings. This will open a new page with a range of options for your store, like general settings, payments, and so on. On this new settings page, look again at the left-hand column and find the option called Notifications. Go ahead and click on Notifications. This is where Shopify manages all the automatic messages your store sends out. On the Notifications page, you'll see different sections. Look for the one labeled Customer Notifications and click on it. This section controls the emails and messages your customers receive, including the order confirmation. From the list of customer notifications, find order confirmation and click on it. This opens the template Shopify uses to email customers right after they place an order. You'll see an option to edit code. If you want to customize the actual text or HTML of the email, you would click there. That's great if you're comfortable editing code. For this tutorial though, we're focusing on the easier no-code customization options. So you can go back by clicking on Customer Notifications at the top to return to that main Customer Notifications area. Back in Customer Notifications, look for a button or link that says Customize Email Templates and click on it. This will take you to the email design settings that apply to your customer emails, including order confirmations. On this page, you'll see options for colors. To change the color of elements in your emails, click on the color swatch shown under Colors. A color picker will appear. You can either pick a color visually or enter a specific color code that matches your brand. Once you're happy with your choice, confirm the new color. Next, you can add your brand logo to your emails. Look for the option to add an image or logo and click on Add Image. Then click on Upload Image. Select your logo file from your computer. After the file finishes uploading and you see a preview, click Done to confirm that selection. Finally, to make sure all of your changes are saved and applied to your order confirmation emails, click on Save. Once saved, your future order confirmation emails will use your new colors and logo automatically.